What's up, YouTube? Random here checking in, baby. Today, I'm gonna show y'all how we separate this here full L80E from the back of this here. Made it to this here 6.0. Come out of a what this come out of? Like a 2000 2500 two-wheel drive unit. Helped my buddy out to try to get him a motor. My deal was the transmission part, but look what happened. That's because we didn't take our time. Y'all was about to close. I tried to get it out there without removing the cross member. So, correct me if I'm wrong. This here case is the same case as the 4x4, but the only difference is that output casing and an output shaft, which we would already have. Now, in order to replace this here case, it's like $500 just for the case. I thought about gutting it. It's supposed to be an easier build than a 4L60, so that's a plus. So you know, I'm just gonna go get me another one for about $150, and I could get my all pan, and I could get my case, and I could get the experience of learning how to rebuild a full L80E. So if you're new to the channel, comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'll cut y'all on in a minute, gang. I'm just looking right here, making sure there's like some paint. Let me flip y'all around so y'all can see what I see. Trying to make sure that right there is like paint. Another crack. You see that on the block? So let me remove this unit. So looking at it, it don't look like it's gonna be too bad. I see I got 2 bolts right there. It look like 2 15mm. I removed my starter. You know, I got me 2 bolts right there. They look like the only 2. You can see it on that cover down there. So I'm gonna remove those 4, get that cover off. The rust around the bell housing is 15s as well. But I can't, I need to access that converter because the converter locked on to that flywheel. And once we get that off, we can just let that transmission drop on the ground, and I'll get my workstation set up inside and show y'all the breakdown of a full L80. So y'all comment, like, share, subscribe, baby. Let's get it, you hear me? Yeah. All right, gang, so we got all the harmonic balance flywheel bolts out of there. I'm gonna let the transmission down. Actually, I could pull it out some so I could have it sitting about right here, so I could remove it from the truck and I could have my motor hanging from the hoist. So I'm gonna back it up and I'm gonna do that. Actually, I could put this starter back up here. I could put that starter back up there because he out my way now. Alright, gang. So y'all see, I have the well 80 and the 60 in place. Start by removing some of these bell housing bolts. Y'all gonna witness me rebuild this transmission, and you're gonna see it working after I do it. You hear me? I said, did you hear me? Huh? Did you hear me? Mr. Jim, that ought to be him. I see. All right, Mr. Jim, that ought to be him. Let me grab a screwdriver so I can try to pry it apart, gang. Alright, gang, I got a big screw. Now let's see what it do. Got a big screw. Let's see what it do. I'm gonna jack it up some more and see if it'll attach itself. Who's holding it, gang? She trying to, look. She trying to. There she go. There she go. See? I'll separate a 4L80E from a 6.0, baby, and I can tell her come get it motor. If you want me to drop it off, I can do that too, but I'm about to pull this here off the truck. I'm about to strip this down, and I'm about to be the professional at building 4L80s. Y'all liking the boy? Comment, like, share, subscribe. You hear me? I'm trying to tell you. Let's get it, yeah. Oh, yeah. You ain't know. If you ain't know, now you know. Holla at me, Mr. Randall. Hey, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Y'all be sure to comment, like, share, subscribe. Let me get this here situated. And let me holler at dude. Let him know his motor ready. See, I get it here, huh? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's what here I was looking at right there. I was looking at that right there, boy. Probably just a little bill. Oh, yeah. I ain't doing nothing with it. She right here on a bright Tuesday. You see him? At 7:40 a.m. Right along with that 5.3, that 2830 gap, with the brand new 243. Yeah, I ain't even do nothing to them. You see them all still blue. What color they print? Like they call them blue ice. They call them blue ice. Huh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. About to record video. I'm gonna show you how to deck that. Yeah. We gonna deck. We gonna get down. Oh yeah. Up. Ooh. Right there. There she go. There she go. She not broke, joke. The broke one inside. I'm gonna pull that one out. Put this one down. Rebuild that. And yeah. Y'all know what's up with it, baby. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Right done. Oh yeah, we gone. I'll see you later.